Want to earn money from home? If you watch my first video, you know what is digital marketing. Now let's put that into action. So here I will show you how to sell food online using Facebook and Instagram ads, even with just 100 rupees. Here the step one. We can pick the food first. So what you want to sell? It can be snack, cake, or Maggie, anything tasty. Okay, like it's simple plus ME equal to people will buy easily. This is the step one. We have to pick a product. Okay, and step two is the make a poster. Use Canva. It's free and easy to use. Poster must be follow these things. The food have to be clear and price have to be clear. And third one, a small offer or discount, you can make them hook. Here the tip. It should be bright colors, bold text, and maybe emojis. It will grab the attention easily. And finally, step 3, you have to choose the platform. Platform is, it will decide like where to show the ad. So my suggestion is Facebook and Instagram is the best because it will be on budget. You can start with just 100 rupees. Even small money can make reach to hungry people online easily. And next is step 4. Step 4 is audience and timing. Yeah, audience and timing. Who will see your ad? Who will see your ad? So we have to think, okay, my ad have to be shown to maybe students and working professionals and homemakers is definitely, it will give great impact. And when I have to show the ad, okay, I have an audience, so when I have to show this ad to them, I think evening time is the best because people will scroll social media and feel hungry, right? So evening time is the best. Next, finally, now we have all plan ready: product, poster, audience, and budget. So everything is ready. In next video, I will show you which is the step 1 poster. I will show you how to make Canva poster step by step. After that, step 2, what is the next step? We will run the meta ad with just 100 rupees. And finally, after running the campaign, what is the result? In live, we will check the result, like how many orders we receive in one day. So this is the upcoming videos. So if you don't want to miss this, just subscribe now. Let's see how it will be.